Hello, I'm Tim Brooksbank and I'm here to tell you about Kramer's new range of 4K very fast switching presentation scaler switchers. So here I have the model VP796A. This is a model which includes audio capability as well as video switching, so it's an all-in-one presentation scaler switcher solution with our HQ ultra-fast typical quarter-second input switching time. That's right, about 1/4 second input switching from a 4K presentation scaler switcher. So on this product we have a wide range of inputs which are selected by these different input keys. We include two 4K HDMI inputs, also a DisplayPort input and a 4K capable HD-based-T input. We also include support for legacy inputs such as DVI, VGA, composite video and even YPBPR or RGB. On the way out we include HD-based-T with 4K capability as well as HDMI with 4K capability and a DVI output connector as well. The product has network control via its built-in TCP/IP networking capability, which can support a control API. It also has a built-in web server so that it can easily be controlled using a regular browser on a laptop, a desktop PC, or even a tablet. So on the front panel, we have a wide range of inputs which are selected by these different coloured input keys for fast input recognition. We also have a front panel LCD display for very easy setup and configuration using the jog wheel. Of course, it can also be set up via its built-in web server. Now let's take a look at the back. So on the back of this product, we have a wide range of inputs. We include HD-based-T input, which is able to take 4K 60 signals. We have a DisplayPort input, also 4K capable. We have two HDMI inputs, both 4K 60 capable. We have another HDMI input for HD. We have a DVI input, which is a DVI-I connector. It can take either digital or analog. We have a VGA input for connecting to legacy computer signal outputs, and we also have a composite video input for connecting things such as cameras, maybe from security systems or DVD players. Now importantly, we also have these analog audio input connectors. These are able to take line level analog audio from sources such as computers and players, and we have two microphone inputs which are able to support microphone signals that can be mixed in over the main audio inputs. These include phantom power capability for powering condenser microphones. On the way out, we have the HD-based-T output, which supports 4K 60. We have the HDMI output, which supports 4K 60. We have a DVI output. We have an RS-232 for control. We also have a network port which can be used for control and also provides web server access so that you can remote control using a regular browser. And importantly, we have the audio connectors. So this connector here is the power amplifier output. This unit has an inbuilt 30 watt RMS power amplifier. That's 15 watt plus 15 watt stereo RMS power amplifier built into this 1U box. There's also a balanced line stereo output which can be used for driving either an external high power amplifier or it can link directly to powered loudspeakers such as the Kramer range of power loudspeakers. So here we have again the VP796A, which is our 4K 60 HQ ultra fast typical quarter-second switching speed scaler switcher. And I should say this is also available as VP796 without the audio for people who don't need audio. And there is also VP797 available with 3G SDI in and out as well for people who need SDI support. So now we've told you all about how fast the switching is on VP796 and VP796A, so I'm going to show you this. So here I have a VP796A and I have three sources connected to it. I have a DisplayPort input from this Kramer 850 test pattern generator. HDMI 1 has a signal from this Kramer via collage, and HDMI 3, which is currently displayed on the TV behind me, has a signal from this laptop. So at the moment I'm showing HDMI 3. If I press HDMI 1, we're showing that HDMI 1 input from the via collage that quickly. If I press DisplayPort key, we're now showing the DisplayPort input. And we have some sound as well from our test pattern generator, slightly irritating the sound. There you go. And now we go back to HDMI 1 from the via collage. It really is instant. onto the HDMI 3 from the laptop and it switches instantly. So you can see we really do have our typical quarter-second input switching time on VP796 and VP796A, which is the fastest input switching time on any presentation scaler switcher in the industry.